And we're shifting focus to breaking news. After a passenger alleged he was assaulted by an Air India Express pilot when he objected to the pilot cutting the boarding queue, Ministry of Civil Aviation has ordered an immediate and formal inquiry into the assault case, reported by Ankit Diwan. So that is a major update that is coming in the assault case that took place at Delhi airports at Terminal 1. And we are joined by Payal Mehta on this podcast. Payal, do tell our viewers more on this development.
Well, to begin with, the ministry has communicated in no uncertain terms, Harsh, to the Air India Express. This pilot has to be grounded with immediate effect. There is no, taking back any step from as far as that is concerned. And also, a formal inquiry has been initiated by the ministry as far as this assault case is concerned. And a report has also been sought from CISF, which is, of course, the security forces on ground at airports, and BCAS, which is the security wing of the Ministry of Civil Aviation. So the ministry not taking this lightly at all, given the fact that the pictures are there viral. They're there for everybody to really see how this pilot had assaulted this passenger. But what really led to that kind of argument? We've just heard one part of the story from behalf of what the passenger really has said. Has the pilot been able to give his version? Was there something which was different? So obviously, a fair inquiry has to be ordered, and therefore, inquiry has been ordered, and no stone will be left unturned to make sure that anybody who's guilty of such a behavior is brought to task. And therefore, taking immediate steps, immediately the pilot has been grounded, because a lot of people have been trolling Air India Express, really saying that what is the condition, what is the mental condition of your pilot if he is doing such a behavior right now on ground. God knows what he would do with passengers. So obviously, that is something which also has to be looked into. The mental conditioning of the pilot may also be have to looked into when this inquiry is conducted.
Right, Payal. Payal, if this incident is true, then there should be strict action against the accused pilot here, because this is nothing but utter high-handedness.
Well, nobody's allowed to take law in their own hands. Nobody's allowed to assault anybody. Leave aside, pilot who's going to be on duty as well. Even if passengers behave in an unruly manner, Hush, there are guidelines which are in place. The no-fly rules are very, very strict. That can actually bar the passenger from flying on any aircraft if the behavior is extremely severe as well. But let's wait and see what comes out of this complaint that has been filed, what comes out of this report that has been ordered. Only then shall we know what really has happened and what is going to be the step forward. But no step will be left unturned, is what Government of India has assured.
Right, Payal. Many thanks, Payal, for gathering all that.